Hello guys, so crypto, quick market update. Guys, I'm looking at Bitcoin on the daily chart and it's looking, as you can see on this picture perfect. Like basically you can study it in the books about patterns. This is a picture perfect bull flag, okay? You can see the whole post right here, and now we can see a beautiful retracement to the downside. That's where it usually break at some point to the upside and just continue higher, okay? Looking at this, if you're bullish, you basically want to wait for this to break, okay? If you're really bullish, it might be as soon as next week, guys. The one level I'm looking at, 108,980, is something that we need to break. If we do break above that, then we break this line, we might continue higher. If you're bearish, if you're on the bearish side, or even if you're bullish but you want to hedge yourself against any potential downside, is, as you know, the bull flags, they usually just range in a pattern like this. It's a downtrend, okay? And at some point it just breaks to the upside. It basically does something like this. So this is this whole move, okay? It does exactly like this. As I said, like picture perfect, guys. And I do hope that we're not gonna break this yet. I do really hope, like part of me, that's why I'm hedging. Part of me wants this to come back once more to the downside before it comes back to the upside and just break out, okay? Usually, excuse me, usually those bull flag patterns, they like to come back. If you draw your Fibonacci from the bottom of the pole to the top, they usually like to come back 50%. And the 50% retracement, the 0.5 on Fibonacci, is sitting at 93,300 more or less. And a very interesting thing that this number is very specific, and I will tell you why. If you look on Bitcoin futures, we do have a CME gap which sits exactly at 92,300. It starts at 92,500 more or less. So 92,500. Look where the 50% retracement sits. It's literally right next to it, okay? So I wouldn't be surprised if we get to this point. So this is why I'm hedging. I'm really thinking like we might bounce from here, reject, and have this one more push to the downside before we continue higher, hopefully, okay? Or maybe we go straight to the bear market. I don't know, but this, like I said, this is a picture perfect bull flag, guys. So yeah, I hope you position for that. Also, I hope you're gonna think about positioning yourself to the downside as well, because trading is basically a game of odds. Like you have to calculate your risk, and there's always a risk of the trade going completely the other way, not the way you prepared. So it's good to hedge yourself, okay? That's why I'm shorting here. I'm actually sitting in about 40x short and roughly targeting that 98k. I don't want to ride it all the way down. I'm not too sure it's gonna reach that low, but 98k would be a good profit level. I'll probably snatch something at 101 more or less, and then take the rest of the profit on the way down, okay? Just move the stop loss if it's obviously gonna play out like this. Guys, so this is Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Ethereum. I haven't looked at that one for quite some time. So this is Ethereum dominance. And yeah, it's looking absolutely shit. It had this bounce right here. So we do have a triple bottom on the dominance, okay? So this was like the lowest point you could actually get Ethereum. Yeah, but the bounce is not too big, to be honest. I mean, maybe we create again like this parallel channel, and slowly Ethereum is gonna break out to the upside again. But yeah, just be wary of this. Like, I mean, triple top. Look how much it dropped. Like if that was a coin, okay, let's call it from this height, okay. Ethereum dropped 65%, and this is the best it can do. Like this is a dead cat bounce. That's what we call it, okay. Like what is this? It dropped 60 something percent and it bounced barely 30. Like this is absolutely nothing, okay. I don't know why people get so excited about Ethereum. It's like, oh yeah, Trump is buying, like, you know, BlackRock is doing XYZ. Guys, it's all just fucking fun. They're trying to like unload the bugs on you, like, and honestly, like I've been an Ethereum holder for, I had Ethereum for 4.5 years, okay, and yeah, I was so upset with myself. I'm still I am that I didn't sell like on 4, like when it was like 4K. I should just dump this token. Like this token is, yeah, it's just going straight down. Even though it's a second token, second by market cap in crypto. Yeah, it's not looking good, guys. Solana also not looking interesting. I was looking at Benjamin Cohen because I do really respect the guy in terms of like dominance and charts. And basically he was saying, and I do see a point, he was saying like basically Solana dominance is doing exactly the same that ETH dominance was doing. So it's following the pattern. So it is possible that Solana is just gonna bleed all the way down to 53% to find the support. I'm just gonna mark it for now, okay? If you're gonna watch this video in a year or a year and a half and we're gonna come back to this chart, hopefully I will still have these markings. I'll just mark it right here and hopefully we will see if it did play out. But yeah, it's looking like it wants to go down. Like there's nothing going on here. I mean, look at this. Like generally speaking, altcoins versus Bitcoin, altcoins are in the bear market prices. I mean, look at all the altcoins, guys. I mean, yeah, altcoins are absolutely wrecked. The only altcoin that I'm looking at, and I'm not personally invested in it, so it's not a paid show or anything like that, is the SPX, okay? That's the only one that is looking semi good. The reason why is because, as you can see, this is the potential huge cup and handle on the daily chart, and if you take it as the target of this breakout, if the handle obviously gonna play out, would be $3, guys. So from today's prices, let me just quickly measure it. From today's prices, that would be 153% move. But other than that, I mean, just look at all the altcoins. Like they all like going to the outside, they all flat apart from the SPX. There's nothing much going on here. What was the other strong one? Fartcoin. Yeah, this is the only one that's looking semi-good, but also downtrend, okay? It's going down. How far down? I don't know. This doesn't look like a bull flag or anything like that. So I'm just assuming this is the downtrend, okay? You see lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, just going down. Flocky, just me, like it's all looking absolutely shit. So yeah, altcoins dead. I wouldn't be investing now, even though YouTube is probably screaming like buy the dip. I'm not buying this dip, guys. I'm happy to, like, if there is gonna be old season, the promised old season that everyone is saying, cool. I'm happy to be late. I'm gonna buy a little bit higher, but I'm not gonna invest my money now. Looking at all those altcoins, like even from this point, okay, let's take AVAX, okay. If AVAX gonna go to the lows from this point, that's bloody 50% drop. I'm talking about AVAX. I mean, look where it is. It sits at $17. I remember, like recently, AVAX was like 54. Look at that. Like, where is the strength? There's no strength, guys. Okay, I understand. Yes, you want to buy low, sell high, but you have to ask yourself a question like, is there anything going on for altcoins? I don't see anything. I mean, look at the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is keep grinding up, okay? And yeah, you could be like, okay, you could be looking at this chart and be like, oh yeah, this is so overextended, okay? Like at 56%. But look how much it extends. It just keep going and keep going. This is the institutional asset. Bitcoin is being backed by institutions, funds, retail is buying it. Like, it's a mainstream asset. It might be basically a new gold at some point, okay? It might just, you might not see the drops that we used to see like on Bitcoin. Let me just show you on monthly. We might not see those drops anymore. We might just slowly, gradually go higher, like with the gold. Like, this might be basically a Bitcoin from now on. I don't know. I mean, so far, this is my speculation, because so far, yes, Bitcoin still trades like a technology. It's not like a digital gold or anything like that. But you never know. You have to have your options open, okay? So, yeah, this is altcoins, Bitcoin. One more, guys. Actually, a few more. One that I would like to invite you to is a free Discord, like everything that I've been saying today and way more. What I mean by way more, it's a free signal, so free market updates that we post all the time. We check the smart money wallets. Whenever I see something nice, I do post as well. We do check the stablecoin balance of the smart money and funds. We're posting setups for crypto markets, so like long shorts. The professional trader Eng is posting a lot. I post some as well. We do trade stocks, whether it's crypto, whether it's spot or leverage. Like this one, for example, I've called like quite recently. BBAI, Big Bear AI. That was about 16 days ago that I'm buying at 371. I just took a screenshot. This is the 56% in 16 days. So yeah, we do a lot, okay? I'm doing research on stocks, guys. Most of it is absolutely free, okay? We do have the VIP section. Not much, guys. Like, this is ridiculously cheap. It's like $30 or $60 a month to be a VIP member. It's a joke, okay? Like, some people, like, we pay more for memes, let's be honest. Like $30-$60 for huge information, because we do a research all the time. This is what we live, this is what we breathe, and we share this information with you, so everyone is up to date. So if you're interested, the link is in the video description. Just smash the like, subscribe, and until the next one, bye.